Hello, sir. So I would like to know your opinions on the Supreme Court's new order of removing all the stray dogs from the localities of our capital, New Delhi.
So basically, I'm a dog lover. Actually, I'm an animal lover. So when I get to know that this is gonna be happen, I was like, dude, this is not possible. Cause there's the stray dogs. They have right to be live there, and there are people who have same rights. Like everybody who's living on street on city have that equal rights. And just because we were uh, get through their ways, like we just cutting those trees and making our livelihood, it's not right. I guess there is other ways, like you can sterilize them, you can vaccinate them, cause it make a lot of cost, like 1500 crore like something to make a shelter and feed them every week, every day. So it's very illogical. Plus, it's very heartbreaking for those who see those creatures on road every day. Like they feel happy, like, and they feed them, of course. Not all of them, but many of them.
They feel like Supreme Court has given this order to deviate the attention of Indian youth from the fake voters case which has happened in the Karnataka thing. Because have you seen that, like, since the day like Rahul Gandhi did that thing, within like 24 hours they passed this law, or this they passed this order, okay, and eventually all the attention has been shifted.
So yeah, Rahul Gandhi makes a very bold way, and I don't know about many much of the details. I just get through the one article, and I just reading middle way. I was a midway, and suddenly something is going to happen. I have to go. But putting this two things in a juxtaposition, that it's just an accidental thing, might be not is an accidental thing, but it's issued by a high court. So I don't know any government
I
involvement.
strongly believe that this has been done to deviate the attention of people from that fake voter things. But we as youth of India should not do that. We should, stick to that thing as well.
Yeah, of course. Like many times in past, is one thing which is going to be like very important for our society or our nation, and suddenly a very stupid thing comes to place, like last time the latent thing happened. It goes like over the head. Like इतनी भी हाइप नहीं चाहिए भाई, जितना तुमने उसको दिया. कोई इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक चल रहा है उस टाइम, मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा, बट वो इशू एकदम साइड लाइन हो गया.
So, happy Independence Day.
हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे गाइस.